Welcome to Joy 99.7 FM. Yes, right here with the head of claims at Ghana Union Assurance Company Limited, Mr. Henry Cathline, and we are here for Drive Time with Insurance. Really good to have you, honestly.
Thank you.
Today we talk about a very interesting topic. It's really some way, somehow. I mean, feels some way when you're striking a deal with an insurance company. The police is not there, but when there's a claim, then you will tell us that we need a police report.
Yeah.
Oh boy. So today we're talking about the need for a police report in motor insurance claims. Yeah. So tell me, Mr. Cathline, of what importance is a police report to claims payment when there's a clear evidence of an accident resulting in injury, death, or damage to an insured vehicle or property?
Thank you, Alexis, and good afternoon to your cherished listeners. First of all, let us find out what the law says regarding motor accidents. The Road Traffic Act of 2004 mandates that every road accident should be reported to the police immediately it happens, or at most within 24 hours. By law, the police are expected to investigate and come out with their report.
Okay.
That is the law. Now, why is the police report that important in the settlement of motor claims? Since the insurer cannot be at the scene of the accident, the police report serves as an independent witness. Because the police report is going to give us a detailed account of whatever happened.
Right.
It's going to tell us the date, the time, the location. It's going to even give us the vehicles involved, persons who got injured. There's a column for the testing officer where the testing officer will also come out with his report as to the extent of damage.
Yeah.
It will also give us the circumstances of the accident and the police findings, what their findings are. Now, after that, when you get this report, it helps the insurer, or that's the claim settler, to determine, helps to determine liability, who is at fault, and therefore speeds up the claims process.
Who is at fault speed up the claims process?
No, what I mean is, when you determine who is at fault, if your insured is not at fault, and you get a report, quickly you go ahead and settle your claims, depending on the conditions of the contract. After you've done that, you can go against the other party who was at fault and do a recovery from them, because everybody is responsible for his or her negligence. So you cannot damage my property and just go scot-free. After the insurers have settled, they have a right to go after the at-fault party to do a recovery. So the police report is very, very important.
I see.
It is also a piece of evidence when it comes to case, when you want to go litigation, you want to go to court and all that. It's also a piece of evidence that you can use when there's a lawsuit against another party. So the police report is very important. Now, when it comes to practice, insurers exercise a lot of discretion when it comes to the demand of a police report. Depending on the circumstances, insurers might decide to waive the police report. Maybe it's just a minor dent here. You were driving on the highway, somebody flips a stone on your windscreen. You have this minor damage on your, headlamps and all that. Those ones, insurers will look at the circumstances and waive the police report.
Okay.
There are instances where the insurers will definitely demand the police report.
But there are certain times that it can be waived.
It can be waived depending on the circumstances.
Of the
accident.
I see. Because some insurance companies claim that they can pay motor insurance claims within 24 hours or less.
Yes.
So I'm wondering how that's possible without a police report, especially knowing the process that you've got to go through to obtain one.
Right. those policies, those 24-hour policies and all that will come with certain terms and conditions. It will tell you under what circumstances your claims will be paid within 24 hours or under 24 hours.
Yeah.
And I think those will come with minor claims, like I said, like windscreens, small dents here and there.
Okay.
I don't think it's a wholesale blanket thing that all claims will be paid within 24 hours.
Yeah.
Because if you take an instance where you have injuries or serious impacts, somebody bringing in a claim of about 100,000, you have to do investigations.
Yeah.
It will require further investigation. I doubt you can do that within
24 hours.
So it depends on the terms and conditions under that contract.
Are there instances where the police may refuse to issue a report based on suspicion of maybe foul play or with fraudulent intents and whatnot?
This is an interesting question, Lexus. Why would the police do that? Because I think it is a duty of the police rather to investigate such circumstances. Because all we know, fraud is a crime. So the police would rather have to investigate that fraud and indicate it in their report. And if possibly, those people behind that fraudulent activity should be put before court. So I don't think the police can say because of fraud or foul play, they are not prepared to issue a police report. No.
But is it advisable as well to pay a higher premium? Because I hear that sometimes the people would want to pay a higher premium so that in the event of an accident leading to a claim, there'll be no need for a police report.
I don't think so, that you have to pay a higher premium for the police report to be waived. Because like I said from the beginning, the police report provides vital information. If you take a higher premium and you waive a police report, your insured is involved in an accident, he doesn't report to the police, there are injuries there. How then do you, if a third party comes to you for a claim, how then do you go and settle? Because mind you, under the Motor Third Party Insurance Act 1958, the victim can come straight to the insurance company without going to your insured to make a claim.
Okay.
So if it happens like that, it's a police report that will tell us that yes, really something happened.
Something happened.
Yeah. So to say paying a premium to waive police report, I don't think it's advisable. Yeah,
okay.
to do that,
Well,
right.
good stuff. I mean,
Right.
I think that's very important. You've established the fact that you always need to go through the process, no cutting of corners.
Yeah.
Make sure you obtain a police report so that you'll be able to serve your claim.
Right.
Is that it?
Yeah.
What will be your final advice generally on this particular topic to people based on your experience in issuing claims and receiving police reports?
What I'll say is that, like the law says, all claims, all accidents should be reported to the police. It assists, like I said, a claim settler to establish liability and speed up the claims process. We'll always appeal also to the police authority to try and speed up the issuance of police reports so that we can also settle
the
claims
very fast.
fast.
Amazing. Well, if you want a motor insurance policy, then of course you can speak to the team at Ghana Union Insurance.
Yes,
That's it.
Lexus. Yes, Lexus.
What other products that you do you have that you can tell us about?
First of all, let me just give a brief introduction of Ghana Union.
Yeah.
Ghana Union is one of the oldest insurance companies. We've been around for over 80 years.
80 years.
Yes.
Wow.
And like you said, we have a strong management team led by Miss Arita Duku, who is our managing director, who is currently the president of the Ghana Insurance Association.
Okay.
Like you said, apart from motor insurance, we write travel, we write fire, engineering, marine, and general accident. But Lexus, we have a unique product on the market that is solely underwritten by Ghana Union. That is a collateral replacement indemnity. We call it a CRI.
Collateral replacement indemnity.
Which we call the CRI.
Tell me about it.
Yes. It's basically for first-time home buyers. If, it's for lower middle income earners who cannot afford the 20% deposit that normally the mortgage companies would demand before they give out the loans.
Okay.
What happens is Ghana Union, in partnership with our banks, that's the Republic Bank and Ghana Home Loans Bank. You can go there And if you want to subscribe to the CRI, that 20% deposit that you have to put a cash payment down, you don't do that. They just give you the 100% mortgage finance for you to buy your home, and Ghana Union guarantees the 20% in case of default.
Wow.
Yeah. So Lexus, if you're interested.
No, it sounds good. I'm
so
totally interested.
Yes. So you can contact our partner banks, that's Republic Bank and GHL Bank, and go through the process, and you get your.
I think it's very innovative.
Yes.
I like it. I like it. No, we should speak right after this.
Okay.
Yeah?
Right. We'll do that.
Right. Awesome.
Right. Yeah, and when it comes to the other thing is that when it comes to claim settlement,
Yeah.
Ghana Union is second to none.
Awesome.
It's second to none.
I trust you.
Yes.
I trust you.
And at Ghana Union,
Yeah.
we make no drama out of your crisis.
I like that.
We make no drama out of your crisis. Yes.
Look, I'm
we have
sure.
we have like I said, we have branches and contact offices throughout Ghana.
Okay.
Our head office on the Ring Road, Osu, near the Ghana National Fire Service headquarters.
Okay.
You can reach us on 0302 780 628.
Good stuff.
Right.
I'm sure
Thank you.
folks would want to speak to Ghana Union Assurance Company Limited. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
I'm
Alexis.
glad that you decided to come through today and
Thank you,
educate
Alexis.
us on this very important topic, and as well tell us about Ghana Union Assurance. I've been speaking to Head of Claims, Mr. Henry Cathline, here on Joy 99.7 FM, proudly brought to you by the Ghana Insurance Association. If you have any issues or complaints that you'd want to make, you can actually contact the GIA Complaints Management and Advice Bureau on toll free 0800 44 2000. That's 0800 44 2000. Insurance companies, claims payment, our business. Thanks a lot, and tomorrow we'll bring you something else here on Joy 99.7 FM. Oh, and you brought a lovely package as well. Oh wow, a goodie bag for my team and
your team. Yeah.
Thank you so much. That's really appreciated. Yeah.
Welcome.
Stay tuned in to Joy 99.7 FM. This is Drive Time on Joy with Lexus Bill.